Choosing the right template is the first step in creating a great inspection report. Your template sets the structure, required fields, and overall flow of your report, so getting it right from the start makes your job easier and more efficient. Step 1. To select a template, go to the top left and choose Select Template, or use Manage Templates from the right-hand column. Step 2. The currently selected template will be displayed below. This template will automatically be used when you create a new inspection. Step 3. You have two options: Select Template or Create Template. Under Select Template, you'll see My Templates. These are the templates you've created. Pre-built templates, ready-made templates you can copy into your list and edit to suit your needs. Step 4. If you'd like to build your own, choose Create Template. You can start with a blank template from scratch, a template built from a PDF report, or import a Spectora template. That's it. By choosing the right template up front, you'll save time, stay organized, and deliver professional reports every time. And remember, you can always adjust your templates later, so pick one that gets you started and refine as you go.